In this video, I will teach you step by step how to get Goblin Boohoo Emote in Clash Royale. First of all, you need to open the game. After you will open the game, I will show you the first method, the easiest way how to get the Crying Goblin Emote, guys. You need to scroll left until you will go to the shop, and right here you need to scroll down until you will see the Goblin Boohoo Emote, which is right here, and you can buy it in the shop. So this is my local currency and it's around $5. So in your country it should cost around $5. So you can click on it, finalize transaction, and you will get the Goblin Boohoo emote very fast, guys, in a second if you pay $5. But there's also a chance, but it's very rare. So you need to get the 5 stars lucky drops, and you have got very little chance to open Goblin Boohoo emote in this drops, but you can very easily buy it right here with only $5. If this video is helpful for you, don't forget to click the like buttons and don't forget to subscribe.